Hey everyone, if you want to add a voice to your HeyGen avatar in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to assign AI voices, upload your own recordings, and create natural-sounding avatar videos step by step. First, sign in to your HeyGen account and open an existing project or create a new one. You'll need an avatar before adding a voice. Next, choose the avatar you want to use. Yeah, HeyGen offers public avatars and custom avatars. Now click inside the script editor. This is where your avatar's speech is controlled. Click the voice option and browse the voice library, so you can select voices based on language, accent, age, and speaking style. Enter the text you want the avatar to speak. Yeah, HeyGen automatically converts the text into speech. If you prefer, you can upload an audio file or record your own voice. This gives your avatar a more personal touch. Enable voice mirroring if you want the avatar to copy the tone, pacing, and emotion of your recording. This creates more natural results. You can also create a custom voice cloned directly inside HeyGen, so your avatar can speak using a voice based on your recordings. Play the preview before generating the video. Yeah, this helps you check pronunciation and speaking style. When everything sounds right, click Generate. HeyGen will create a talking avatar video using the selected voice. After rendering is complete, click Download to save your video. Your avatar is now ready for YouTube, TikTok, or social
Hi,
media.
I'm
And
excited you're
that's
here.
it.
This is your voice clone
You've successfully learned how to add a voice to a HeyGen avatar in 2026. Thanks for
Hi, I'm
watching,
excited
and
you're
I'll see you
here.
in the
This is
next
your
tutorial.